In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Google Calendar with Evernote. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your calendar connected so you can see and use your events directly inside Evernote, making it much easier to manage notes around your schedule. First, open Evernote in your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look down to the lower left corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area. This usually shows your profile picture or your initials, along with a small menu icon. Go ahead and click on your profile section. This is where Evernote keeps all of your account-related options and settings. After you click your profile, a menu will pop up. From this menu, choose the option labeled Settings. This will open a new panel or page where you can adjust how Evernote behaves for your account. Take a moment to let it load fully before moving on. Inside the settings area, you'll see several categories down the side, such as Account, Subscriptions, and other features. Look for the section called Calendar. This is the place where you control any calendar integrations connected to your Evernote account. Click on Calendar to open that section. In the calendar settings, you'll see an option to connect a calendar if you haven't done so already. Look for the button that says Connect Calendar. This is the main button that starts the linking process between Evernote and Google Calendar. Click on Connect Calendar, and Evernote will begin guiding you through the connection setup. A new window or panel will appear with different sign-in options. Since we want to connect to Google Calendar, you'll choose the option that says Sign in with Google. Click that button. If you're already logged into your Google account in your browser, you may see a list of your Google accounts. If not, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google email and password. Once you've selected the correct Google account, Google will show you a permission screen explaining what Evernote is asking to access, usually your calendar events. Read through it, and if you're comfortable, click to allow access. After you grant permission, you'll be taken back to Evernote, and your Google Calendar will now be linked. From here, you can start using your connected calendar inside Evernote to create notes tied to events and keep your schedule and information in one place.